Hi, I'm Shawn with Shawns Leaf and Lawn, and if you've noticed brown spots showing up in your lawn, you're definitely not alone. The first thing most homeowners assume is that their lawn just needs more water, but the truth is, that's only one possible cause. Brown spots can happen for several reasons. It could be heat or drought stress during hot weather. It could be dull mower blades tearing the grass instead of making a clean cut. Urine is another common culprit. Soil compaction can prevent water and oxygen from reaching the roots. Lawn diseases, insects like grubs, or even watering too often or too little can also create brown patches. The challenge is that many of these problems can look almost identical. That's why guessing often leads to wasted time, wasted money, and sometimes even more damage to your lawn. As Shawns Leaf and Lawn, we don't believe in guessing. We take the time to inspect your lawn, identify what's actually causing the problem, and recommend the right solution based on what we find. Sometimes it's as simple as changing your mower height or watering schedule. Your lawn may need aeration, overseeding, disease management, or help recovering from the stress. Whatever the cause, we'll explain what's happening in plain English so you know exactly what your lawn needs, and just as importantly, what it doesn't. If your lawn isn't looking as healthy as it should, don't wait until the damage spreads. Give Shawns Leaf and Lawn a call today at 503-545-5184. We'll help you get your lawn green, healthy, and something you'll be proud to come home to. I'm Shawn, and I look forward to helping you soon.